Now we have seen the bones of the skull, that is, which are divided into the cranium and the facial bones, and three ear ossicles, three bones which were present in the middle ear, malleus, incus and stapes. They are also included in the bones of the skull. Now the next part of axial skeleton is vertebral column, that is the backbone, which is formed by individual bones, and individual bone is called vertebra. The vertebral column is divided into the following regions. First is the neck, thorax or the chest, abdomen, then hip region and the tail region. The vertebral column, as it is located based upon the location, these are the vertebrae located in the neck region, thorax, chest region, abdomen region, hip region and the tail region. The vertebrae present in the neck region are called cervical vertebra, which are 7 in number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the next 12 vertebra which are located in the thorax or the chest region, they are called thoracic vertebra. Then the next 5 vertebra, which are located in the stomach, in the abdomen region, not stomach, abdomen region, they are called lumbar vertebra. They are 5 in number. And in the hip region, they are sacral vertebra, which are 4 to 5 and they are fused, 4 to 5 in number. And the vertebra present in the tail region, they are called coccyx vertebra. They are 3 to 5 fused vertebra. They fuse to form a triangular bone. Now, the next part of axial skeleton is ribs and rib cage. This is the front body wall. In the front body wall, till the middle of the chest, there is present a single bone. This is sternum. Here is present the backbone. This is the back wall. This is the front wall of the body. There is present a bone called sternum. This is the back wall of the body, which is present vertebral column or the backbone. And these two are joined by semicircular bones, and these semicircular bones are called ribs, and this becomes a rib cage. In the front, this is sternum. This is backbone or the vertebral column, and the semicircular bones which are joining these two, they are called the ribs. And inside this rib cage are located the lungs and heart, and this is how the rib cage is shown. The front bone is called sternum. This is this portion. This bone is the sternum. This is sternum. We can see the sternum has 3 parts. The upper portion, this broad region, is called manubrium. This middle portion is called the body, and this portion, this is called the xiphoid process, xiphoid. And the bones of the ribs, they are further divided into 2 parts. The first part which is attached to the sternum, this देखो ribs में भी आ गया, ये division है. The first, you can see this is the sternal part which is attached to the sternum. This is the sternal part of the rib, and the portion which is attached to the backbone, the remaining portion, this is called the vertebral part of the rib, and the sternal part of the rib which is attached to the sternum. The ribs, they are divided into 3 categories. They are further of 3 types. The first 7 ribs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The first 7 ribs which are directly attached to the sternum, these are called true ribs. The next 3 ribs, 8, 9 and 10, you can see they fuse together first and then they join to the sternum. They are called the false ribs. The ribs which are attached directly to the sternum, the first 7 pair of ribs, that is called the true ribs, and the 8, 9 and 10 ribs which fuse together first and then they join to the sternum, this is called the false rib. And the next 2 pairs, 11th and 12th pair, they do not join completely to the sternum, they float in the body cavity. These are called floating ribs, 11th and 12th. So ribs, there are 12 pairs of ribs. So the first 7, they are attached directly to the sternum, they are true ribs. Next 3, they are not directly attached, first they fuse together and then they join to the sternum, these are the false ribs. And the last two pair of ribs which are not completely semicircular, they float inside the body cavity, these are called the floating ribs. So this was rib cage. In the front there was sternum, at the back there is the backbone, and the semicircular bones joining together was the rib cage.